Yeah, g'day, my name's Cam, I'm from MyTech Mobile Mechanical. As mobile mechanics, we can provide general logbook servicing, which is primarily a main part of what we do. During that we can also do brake repairs, so brake replacements, disc brake repairs, drum brake repairs, oil leak inspections, fault diagnostics, electrical scan tool diagnostics. There is very limited things that we can't do on site. So low contact servicing for us is basically limiting our contact with the customer. Some of the measures we've put in place around the COVID-19 situation is we've done the government online training on hygiene practices in business. We're also using disposable seat covers, where traditionally we'd use a seat cover, be taken off, put onto another vehicle and so on and so forth for multiple times before it's washed. So every single use we replace them. We're washing down the touch points of the cars with antibacterial disinfectants before and after finishing with the cars, and just generally keeping as much social distancing between us and the customers as we can. So to help us and help yourselves with the minimising the contact of the vehicle, the best thing a customer can do for us is possibly park the car in an area that's suitable to be able to work on it, and as well as that, as turning off any air conditioning, ventilation systems inside the car, so basically turn the interior fan off and park the car in a place where we won't need to reposition it to be able to work on it. It's appreciated if people wipe down their cars, but we'll also do that prior to us actually working on it, so it's not necessary. So if a customer wants to go about booking a mobile service, they can jump on the AutoGuru website and automatically punch in the car's details. They'll get a price list of what the service or repair costs and can book online. So one of the services we offer through AutoGuru is the Afterpay payment system, where it's a system that people can have their product or service now and pay in 4 fortnightly instalments. Some of the benefits of Afterpay are obviously that there is zero contact, so you don't need to be giving us a card, you don't need to use an EFTPOS machine or anything like that. So we can do it pre-arranged over the phone, or it can be done on site for additional repairs or services. As a mobile mechanic, the type of area that we need to work on at your house or your business is generally a hard level surface. We work in car parks at most shopping centres, small type of businesses. Underground car parks we can work in only need about 1.9 metres of height clearance, and generally we have our own lighting and things like that, so it's not a major concern if it's a darker area. So some of the benefits a customer might get from booking through the online platform, instantly you'll see the price. So you'll know exactly what is going to be, you'll get a bit of an idea on how long it's going to take and who'll be coming out to work on the car.
To book a low-contact mobile mechanic who can service or repair your car during COVID-19, visit autoguru.com.au.